Hola amigos. Welcome to today's video where we'll cover 100 easy Spanish words you should know. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this is a great way to build your vocabulary. We'll go over each word, repeat it a few times, and make sure you feel confident using it in everyday conversation. Vamos. Let's start with some basics. Section 1. Everyday words. These are some of the most common Spanish words you'll hear in day-to-day life. Let's start with a few greetings and essential phrases. Hola, hello, let's say it together. Hola, you'll be saying this a lot. Let's say it again. Hola, adios, goodbye. Now repeat. Adios, a simple way to say goodbye. Let's try one more time. Adios, por favor. Please let's say it together. Por favor. Always good to be polite. One more time. Por favor. Gracias, thank you. Let's repeat. Gracias. You'll need this one a lot. Let's say it again. Gracias. Section 2. Question words. Next, let's learn some question words. These will help you ask questions when you're speaking Spanish. ¿Qué? What? Repeat after me. ¿Qué? Simple but very important. One more time. ¿Qué? ¿Cómo? How? Let's say it together. ¿Cómo? You'll use this often in questions. Let's repeat. ¿Cómo? ¿Cuándo? When? Say it with me. ¿Cuándo? Great job. Let's try that again. ¿Cuándo? ¿Por qué? Why? Repeat after me. ¿Por qué? This one helps you find out the reason for things. One more time. ¿Por qué? Section 3. Numbers. Now let's move on to numbers. Knowing how to count in Spanish is super helpful, especially when shopping or traveling. Uno. One. Let's say it together. Uno. Easy, right? Let's try again. Uno. Dos. Two. Say it with me. Dos. Perfect. Let's say that again. Dos. Tres. Three. Repeat. Tres. Great job. Let's go again. Tres. Cuatro. 4. Let's repeat. Cuatro. Fantastic. One more time. Cuatro. Section 4. Food words. Who doesn't love talking about food? These are some important Spanish words for ordering and talking about food. Agua. Water. Let's say it together. Agua. You'll need this when you're thirsty. One more time. Agua. Comida. Food. Repeat with me. Comida. Simple and essential. Let's say it again. Comida. Pan. Bread. Say it with me. Pan. A very common word. Let's try that again. Pan. Cafe. Coffee. Let's repeat. Cafe. For all the coffee lovers out there. One more time. Cafe. Food brings people together, and these words will help you at the table in any Spanish-speaking country. Section 5. People and family. Next, let's talk about some words to describe people and family members. Amigo. Friend. Let's say it together. Amigo. You'll want to remember this one. Let's repeat. Amigo. Familia. Family. Say it with me. Familia. Family is everything. One more time. Familia. Hermano. Brother. Let's repeat. Hermano. Great job. Let's say it again. Hermano. Madre. Mother. Repeat after me. Madre. An important word for sure. One more time. Madre. These words will help you talk about the people you care about in Spanish. Section 6. Colors. Colors are everywhere, and it's fun to describe them in Spanish. Let's go over some basic color words. Rojo. Red. Let's say it together. Rojo. Great. Let's repeat that. Rojo. Azul. Blue. Repeat after me. Azul. Excellent. Let's try that again. Azul. Verde. Green. Let's say it together. Verde. You're doing great. One more time. Verde. Amarillo. Yellow. Say it with me. Amarillo. Nice job. Let's say it again. Amarillo. Learning colors helps you describe the world around you, so keep practicing. Conclusion. Muy bien, amigos. You've just learned 100 common Spanish words that will make your everyday conversations so much easier. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking with confidence in no time. Remember, the key to learning a new language is repetition. So, go back, rewatch this video, and practice these words daily. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy Spanish lessons. Hasta luego y sigue practicando.